Yo, this is gonna be super quick. Not trying to show you any functions or anything like that. I got a quick question. Did you buy one of these? Did you buy a Rodecaster Pro II? I did. It actually got delivered last Wednesday, but I went on vacation on Thursday. Just got back the day before yesterday. Very excited to get it all turned on and plugged in and everything else. I plug it in with the original cord, right? All the original wiring, right? My joint turned on. Rode logo up here, then that white loading bar, and it's stuck at the loading bar forever and ever. Like, I was confused. It was a little sketchy to me when I first took this thing out the box anyway, because I felt like it had been used. I felt like it wasn't brand new. You know how sometimes you get new stuff and the packaging is pristine, and you know the tape, these plastic that covers the equipment is either taped down or, you know, doesn't have a bunch of wrinkles in it. That wasn't the case with this. So when this came, I felt like the box had been played with before. And I haven't even taken the plastic off of this yet, but the plastic is just scratched up. You know, the plastic was scratched up. The faders were all over the place. Like, the faders were everywhere, right? So I said, that's weird. Then I tried to boot it up and it wouldn't work. So in less than 3 minutes, I'll give you the solution. What I had to do was take my RAV Power PD power bank, the one that I had for my Rodecaster, my original Rodecaster, and the USB-C plug, and I had to plug this up to the Rodecaster, right? And I plugged in a network cable at the same time, and I was able to boot, get to the setup screen, and install the latest firmware. So I promise you, Rode support sucks at this point. I've emailed them twice. I called them yesterday, right in the morning, noon my time, 9 a.m. Pacific time. They didn't call me back till this afternoon, till a day and a half later. So had I not been playing around and trying to figure out a solution to my problem, this thing still wouldn't be functional. I'm going to plug it up now and just test it and make sure that everything works, because if not, this bad boy is going back. But if you have one of these Rodecaster Pro II and you're stuck at a logo screen with the loading bar stuck at the end, like it's 99%, but it never gets done, my suggestion to you is unplug the traditional power that you have and try using a power bank. That worked for me. Let me know how you fare.